To install the side table for your Weber pellet smoker or grill, remove the side handle using the included hex key. Partially screw the included screws into each of the top holes. You'll need to leave space to hang the mounting plate and brackets. Hang the mounting plate onto the grill using the keyhole slot. Make sure the top and bottom flanges are facing the grill. Add a washer to the top post of each bracket. Hang the brackets on the grill using the keyhole slot with the posts facing in. Slide the table onto the left bracket. Rotate the right bracket to insert the posts into the side table so the table rests on both brackets. Make sure the brackets are flush against the side table. Screw the remaining included screws into the bottom holes of the brackets. Tighten all 4 screws. You can fold down the table when it's not in use. Just lift with both hands and fold it down. For more information, visit Weber.com or contact Consumer Care.